Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. The dedication and hard work it takes to be a top athlete is well known. But today the focus goes beyond the court, the field, the green, you name it. This episode dives deep into the business minds of the top 15 highest paid athletes in the world. These GOATs are not only at the top of their game but also building empires and securing the bag. So sit back, lock in, and get ready to learn from the best in the business. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. The list starts off strong. At the number one spot, it's none other than CR7 himself. Cristiano Ronaldo's work ethic is unmatched, both on and off the field. This global icon has a brand that extends far beyond soccer. His partnership with Nike is legendary, and his own CR7 brand is a testament to his business savvy. From hotels to clothing lines, Ronaldo has built an empire, proving that his entrepreneurial spirit is just as strong as his skills on the pitch. Coming in at number 2, the maestro, Lionel Messi. He lets his game do the talking, but don't get it twisted, he's a boss in the business world too. From his long-standing partnership with Adidas to his deals with brands like Pepsi, Messi's global appeal is undeniable. He is a walking testament to the power of consistency and letting talent speak for itself. This young king is just getting started. At number 3, it's Kylian Mbappé. He is a force to be reckoned with on and off the field. Already making power moves, he has signed major deals with Nike, Hublot, you name it. He has that it factor, that global appeal that brands dream of, and he is using it to build an empire. Remember the name, because Mbappé is here to stay. It's time to reveal the next athlete. At number 4, it's none other than LeBron James. LeBron has enjoyed a long and successful career in the NBA, but he has always believed that basketball is bigger than just the court. From his partnership with Nike to his ventures in Hollywood with Spring Hill Company, LeBron is passionate about building businesses and creating opportunities. He uses his platform to empower others and aims to leave a legacy that extends far beyond the game. At number 5, there's a true champion, Canelo Alvarez. He is a force to be reckoned with in the ring, and just as impressive outside of it. With his lucrative fight contracts and endorsements, Canelo is a master negotiator. Plus, he isn't just collecting checks, he's running his own promotional company, taking control of his own destiny. That's what it's all about. Coming in at number 6 is Dustin Johnson, a name synonymous with consistency and excellence in the world of golf. He has those major championship wins, but he also has a keen eye for business. From his deals with TaylorMade and Hublot to his strategic investments, Dustin understands that success on the course can open doors to even greater opportunities off of it. Phil Mickelson, $106 million. Coming in at number 7, the legend himself, Phil Mickelson. His charisma and skill on the golf course are undeniable, and he has translated that into a brand that resonates with fans worldwide. With major endorsements from brands like Callaway and KPMG, Mickelson has built a legacy that extends far beyond his impressive wins. Steph Curry, $100.4 million. At number 8, the list features the man who changed the game of basketball, Steph Curry. His impact on the court is undeniable, but his influence off the court is just as powerful. With his Under Armour partnership and his commitment to using his platform for good, Steph is a true icon. He is proof that hard work, dedication, and a little bit of range can take an athlete a long way. Roger Federer, $95.1 million. Coming in at number 9, he is the epitome of class and style, Roger Federer. He is the definition of elegance on and off the court. With his long-standing partnerships with Rolex and Uniqlo, Federer has built a brand that embodies timeless sophistication. He is a true role model, showing the world that success and grace go hand in hand. Kevin Durant, $89.1 million. At number 10, Kevin Durant, also known as KD, takes the spot. He is a walking bucket on the court, and just as smooth with his business moves. From his deals with Nike and Beats by Dre to his savvy tech investments, Kevin Durant is building an empire. He is proof that one can be a champion on and off the court. Giannis Antetokounmpo, $87.6 million. Coming in at number 11, the Greek freak himself, Giannis Antetokounmpo. His work ethic is unmatched. and his rise to NBA superstardom has been nothing short of inspiring. With lucrative endorsements and long-term contracts, Giannis is securing the bag while dominating on the court. He is a true testament to the power of hard work and determination. Neymar, $85 million. At number 12, Brazilian superstar Neymar takes the spot. His magic on the pitch and global appeal are undeniable. With major endorsements from brands like Nike and Red Bull, Neymar stands as a marketing powerhouse. He exemplifies how athleticism and business savvy can create a global brand. Russell Wilson, $85 million. Coming in at number 13, the always dangerous Russell Wilson. He is a leader on and off the field. With endorsements from brands like Nike and Amazon, as well as his own ventures in entrepreneurship and investments, Russell is building a legacy that extends far beyond football. He is a true inspiration, showing the world that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. Russell Westbrook, $82.1 million. At number 14, Mr. Triple-Double himself, Russell Westbrook, makes the list. His energy and style are unmatched, both on and off the court. With a partnership with the Jordan brand and his own fashion ventures, Russell is a true trendsetter. He proves that one can be a force in the fashion world while dominating in the NBA. Rory McIlroy, $80.8 million. Rounding out the list at number 15 is golf superstar Rory McIlroy. He is a fan favorite, known for his incredible talent and sportsmanship. With endorsements from brands like Nike and TaylorMade, Rory has become a global icon. He is a true ambassador for the sport of golf, inspiring the next generation of athletes. That's a wrap. And there you have it, folks, the top 15 highest paid athletes of 2023. These individuals are more than just athletes. They're entrepreneurs, investors, and global icons. They've shown us that success in sports can be a platform for building empires and leaving a lasting impact on the world. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content on the intersection of sports and business. We'll catch you in the next one.